So hey everyone, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do shakes in Premiere Pro. And of course, in order to do this you will need a plugin called Sapphire, but if you already have the plugin, let's start. So firstly, make sure to have your two clips ready. I've already added a scale onto my first clip. It's a basic scale in effect. However, for the second clip we are not going to keyframe that. Instead we need to just scale it up by 2. So now mine is up by 102. The reason why is because when you add your shake there will be these weird black bars on the sides. Anyways, once you have done that, you just want to right click your second clip and then click on nest, click on OK, and there you go. And now you can scale this as well. Now I've added a quick scale effect to my second clip. If you don't know how to do smooth scales like these, then check out my tutorial, link will be in the description below. Anyways, now you want to head over to the effects panel and search up S-Shake. It should be the one underneath Sapphire Distort, and just drag and drop it onto your second clip. Head all the way to the beginning of the clip, and what you want to do is set the frequency to 4. In fact, we are going to do 5 instead. Head over to X-Shake and you just want to click the little arrow which will bring this down. Set the X rand amp to 25, and then for the Y shake what we want to do is set the rand amp to around 200, and also for the Y wave amp what we want to do is set it to 1, and also for tilt shake you don't have to do this but you can set it to 8. Now head back up all the way to amplitude once again, keyframe that, and then head about 15 keyframes to the right. You can do 15 or 20, I'm gonna do 20 for now, and then set it to 0. Now your shake is going to look a little bit weird here. It's going to look more like a wobble than a shake, but if you click the little arrow next to amplitude it will bring this little graph down, and over here you can change and control the velocity of the amplitude. So we're going to grab this little handle which is right here, and I'm just going to pull it all the way up. Make sure it's on the same level as the bar on the right, so make sure it's not up here. It has to be exactly on the same level. Pull it as close as you can and then let go, and now your shake is going to look something like this. Now if you do not like your shake, it is up to you to decide what you want to do with it. You can, if you want to, move the last keyframe of the amplitude a bit more to the right, which is going to increase the duration of the shake. If you head back to the little bar that we pulled to the left, if you want to you can pull it slightly back to the right, and it's going to create a really smooth ramp, and now the shake is going to look something like this. And also do keep in mind that your shake is impacted by your scale as well. So if you have a really short scale then it's going to look really odd, something like this. And if it's too long, it's going to look something like this. So try and keep the keyframes of the scale and shake next to each other, if that makes any sense at all. But anyways, that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching, have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. So yeah, peace.